tighten up on your applications. I spoke to a loan officer in Minnesota yesterday, and you know what he said to me? Hash, I got to buy more leads. So you don't have to buy more leads. You have to increase your conversions. For every 10 people you talk to, you sell 2 of them. Out of the remaining 8, let's just pretend 7 of them don't qualify. There's still 1 out there that qualified that you couldn't convert. Now the question becomes, why didn't you convert it? Watch this one. $25.69 an hour. He's worked his job for 5.5 months. His year-to-date gross should be $24,491.13. His pay stub shows $16,934.24. His year-to-date gross on his pay stub is this. This is the year-to-date gross on his pay stub, $35,478. This is what 99.9% of the loan officers in this country will do. They'll just say 35 grand in 5 months. He's making $7,000 a month. Slam dunk. Easy. I look at this, times 40 times 52 divided by 12 times 5.5 equals this, and I only look at the regular line. You want to know why he's at 35? He has COVID differential pay. He has COVID incentive pay. He has weekend bonus pay. He has overtime. So I had to look through it and see where's my regular pay at. And when I looked at his regular pay, he's at $16,934. You're off by like 8 grand. Something is not matching up here. Now you tell me, if I keep pushing hard enough, will I piss him off and frustrate him enough that he'll just go somewhere else? Good, go somewhere else. I don't talk like that because I have 20 loans. I'm not some hotshot like, oh, I can get rid of a loan. I can't get rid of any loan. I need every loan. Every loan matters to me. I don't know about you guys, it matters to me. The reason I have 20 is because I talk like that. I have 20 because I get rid of customers. Talk with some weight in your voice. Your income should be at $24,491. It's currently at $16,934, okay? There's a disparity here of $8,000. You told me you make $25 an hour and you work 40 hours a week every single day since the day you started at the job, which was May 1st. This pay stub is through October 15th. Boom, 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 boom. Tighten down on your application.